Right. Hi, this is Dylan with Repair Parts Plus. I'm here with Brandon. He's an aspiring repair guru in the area of our company. We gave him this USPS. What is it in iPhone 7?
iPhone 7 Plus, repair kit. It's my first one. Can't wait to see how it goes, and I think it's gonna be good.
Yep, and so we're gonna, due to social distancing, we can't record the whole video together, but Brandon's going to complete this repair, and we'll see how it goes.
Hey guys, this is Brandon here making a video on my experience with replacing a screen and LCD using RepairPartsPlus iPhone 7 Plus repair kit. As you can tell now, there are a lot of cracks in the screen and leaks coming from the back of the LCD, but hopefully you can get that all fixed. After powering off the phone, you're going to start with these pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. Now you can use the pry tools, which are included in the kit, to go all the way around the screen, and then eventually you should be able to pop it off like this. Next, there are these two metal plates you have to take off before getting to the connections. Now you can remove the connections. There's one where the top plate was, and there are three where the bottom plate was. Now I didn't film it, but you will have to remove the metal shield on the back side of the screen, as well as the home button, which are both screwed in with the same screws as the plates. After the parts are transferred into the new screen, you will repeat the steps in reverse. Snap in the ribbon cables, cover them up with the plates, and then use the pentalobe screws at the bottom to seal the whole thing off. And here it is, the final product after completing the repair using RepairPartsPlus iPhone 7 Plus screen and LCD replacement. I followed the steps for the Express kit, which has these parts already installed, but the home button, you gotta remember that does need to be switched, but it's fairly easy. And this screen, once again, is fully functional. It's smooth and there aren't any lines or cracks in it now. I would definitely recommend this method, especially for times like these. For me, I would have not been able to take it into the Apple Store anyway, since I had little dents and nicks on the corners, because this phone actually survived a fall off a cliff, surprisingly. But yeah, I had to bend back these little pieces just a little bit, but after all that, I would totally recommend doing this again, and actually I'd recommend it before going to the Apple Store to get it repaired. Fix your phone at home using Repair Parts Plus.